Okay, this is the Virtual Cockpit in the MY19 Skoda Octavia VRS. This is your basic home screen. You can see we've got fuel down the right hand side, we have engine temperature to the left, trip data. The centre of the screen does all the same things as your old Maxidot used to do. I'll show you it move. There's the clock's moving, nice and smooth. We can have different views, simplified views, plenty of detail, and this sporty one. This one actually has a kilowatt meter for some reason, in case you're concerned about how much power you're using. Go back to the home screen, and through my center console I can make some changes to what's within the middle of the dials, and I can change each of these as I wish. So yeah, that's pretty much it. The reverse camera doesn't show up in that screen, sadly. You can also have your sat nav show on there. Let me turn the car off. You get a little animation, and then a summary of your last journey. So that's it, nice and short. Cheers.